Joe from RDI here with our next tips and tricks. Today we're going to talk about installing post caps. Now this may sound a bit remedial, but we do get phone calls after a windstorm or maybe after a libation-induced incident where the post cap is either blown or been knocked off the post. We're going to talk about a couple of different attachment methods, some more permanent than others. Some caps, like our solar-powered LED contemporary light, will come with painted screws. Now this is nice because it's not completely permanent. You'll be able to screw this to the post, but in the event that you need to troubleshoot this or replace the battery that's included, you'll be able to unscrew it and take it off. Here's another example of a semi-permanent installation. This is a wired LED cap where I may want to get into here to troubleshoot or run additional wires in the future, so I don't want to permanently bond this to the post. So I'm going to use a silicone-based caulk to attach it. Now, as generously as I can without making a mess, I'm going to apply silicone to where this cap is going to contact my post sleeve. I'm just going to press it down. This installation is going to be more permanent. We're going to use a PVC vinyl fence cement. Now this actually creates a chemical bond between the two items. For either of these, make sure your surface is clean and dry. And now I'm going to apply, similar to the silicone, at the points where I know it's going to contact the post sleeve. I'm going to press firmly for about 10 or 15 seconds. I let the post cap with the silicone cure overnight, and you can see it's attached really well. It's not going anywhere, but if I really wanted to remove it, I could use a lot of force and take it off. Now the PVC fence cement, this thing is on there forever. It's permanently attached, it's not going to come off. For more information on RDI products and to see more tips and tricks, visit us at rdirail.com.